will be here and just opening the file, but is that this open file just print the file name. As you can see, there is output. Okay, let's just see what is happened to the Python. Still 460 and not coming less than 460. Hopefully get it soon and just release my power of computer. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my file. Instead of the printing the file name, I'm gonna do something else. I'm gonna just use the file. Okay, and for the file I have to use the Java import. It's oh, is it okay? I'm confusing with the import Java IO dot file reader. I think, yeah, reader. Okay, that's it. That's fine. Okay, and you should know the file. And okay, if I just file the file is equal to new file of the, what is the file is going to be, the name of the file is we already get it from here, and still doesn't know the file. The file was maybe Java util, and then Java dot util and star maybe. Okay, no, okay, Java, this is the, what is the file is going to be, maybe no, it's this one, IO exception. Maybe you need that one too. Come on. What is the wrong with that? Is the file new file f name. Doesn't know the name. What is that one? Is that file? Just let me have a look and Google it. Why it doesn't know the file? Import java.io for java.io.file. Okay. I don't know why I didn't do that earlier. Okay, I'll just open the file name. After file name, I have always in Java is very protected. You have to put it in the try and error. I'm gonna just say buffer reader. Okay, is the reader is equal null. Just ball, no, sorry, is a ball is different, and I have to say try, and I have to say try and in the Java try catch. Tried and error. I'm just mixing everything. This is try and catch, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna say reader is the equal. Okay, catch always have to have a exception. You have to handle the error. What I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna say file not found exception. Just file not open found exception and space something like E, and you've managed that down. Okay, I'm going to say reader is the equal new, okay, buffer reader. Okay, for not wasting your time, I have to open my code because is when you're writing already a code, it's difficult to write it again. I'm gonna bring it as a copy paste. Let me open my file and open it just like that, and I only explain to you. Okay, new. Okay, just this here. Okay, all I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna say, okay, reader is equal new buffer reader, new file reader file. This is how in Java you read the file. And what they're gonna do for the next line, you just say, I'm copying and pasting, and I need the number of the rows. Okay, I'm just trying to reading this in Python is so simple, but just for even reading a file. That's why the Python is good for scientists. Number of the row. Okay, I have to just number of the row. Just know number of the row. What is the number of the row? I'm gonna defining number of the row as a one static integer variable of integer. And what I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna do set, as you can see here, I'm just reading the file in the reader, and I'm just reading the line, okay, the first line, okay, and the number of the row is the integer parsed into text. I'm supposed to read the 4 lines at the first. Okay, what is the okay in knapsack.txt? Let's have a look. That's why I did that. In knapsack file, let me open the file. You see that the first line, that's why is the number of the row as the first line, and that's why the first line I'm reading, this one, I'm reading from the I'm reading the number of the row actually. And let's do it 7 minutes and 23 seconds. Okay, what is this error? Add row exception. Okay, even for the read line we have to add reader. We already did that exception. Try. And okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just copy all the text and explain to you line by line. This is my my class file. I wrote it before, and what I'm doing here, I'm just trying. I'm going to read the file and read the. This is not part of the genetic anyway algorithm. It's just only related. I'm just gonna go very fast, passing the fast. This is how I read the file, and I put the information of the knapsack file, knapsack information in the array. Which array is the? This is my static list of the integer, because I have to have the two. This is a new array list. I'm gonna have this as a list. I'm going to use this list in my main program as a information. This is reading the file. It's Java or anything else. Okay, let me just explain very quickly in 1 minute, because I have just only 1 minute. I'm going to pass this through. Okay, I'm just reading the buffer, and I just text the first row is going to be the number of the row. I'm just going to put in the 4. Number of the row is a 20 item I have. I'm reading the information, okay, and I just create a new array list of the integer, and I add this array list in the one array of the integer. At the end, I'm gonna add it to my main list. When this for is finished, already all the information is gonna be to the list, and I just close it, and I will close. You see that I'm closing. Finally, I close it here. The file, and after when I read this, when I execute this function, all my information is going to be the list. That's all. I'm going to use that when I'm saying that this one. Let me adjust system dot out dot print ln my file